How to do iPhone split screen. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can do iPhone split screen. So you can use the split screen feature to multitask on your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So to do iPhone's split screen, you might need to download an app. So to download an app, head over to your app store and search for split screen. And after you search for split screen, there you will see an app called split screen. This is the one, dual window. Make sure that you download this app. After you download the app, you can then open the app up. So with the feature of the split screen app, you will be now able to use your split screen on iPhone. So as you can see from this feature, I can open up Facebook in one tab and YouTube in another. So as you can see now, I can log in into my Facebook and start using Facebook, and it's the same for YouTube as well. And that's basically how you can use split screen on iPhone. Thanks for watching guys, that is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye, take care.